Welcome to Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. On the menu today, a rich and nutrient-dense date and carrot cake. This delicious cake is made using coconut flour and has no added sugar. Here's what you'll need. All the details can also be found in the description. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more delicious recipes posted weekly. Let's get started. You'll need 350 grams of pitted dates. Remove all the pits if needed. The dates are our sugar substitute in this recipe. Pour 300 ml of hot milk over the dates. This is to soften them up for use later. Make sure all the dates have been submerged into the milk. Then cover with cling film and leave to soak. In the meantime, prepare the rest of the ingredients. Coarsely grate 700 grams of carrots, which is about 6 carrots. Thinly slice approximately 70 grams of dried apricots. Crush 40 grams of walnuts in either a blender for a few seconds or in a bag as I've done. The pieces don't need to be too small. Next, in a large bowl, break 4 eggs. The eggs will bind all the ingredients together. The dates should have softened in the milk by now and is ready to be blended. Blend thoroughly with a hand blender if you have one or in a blender. Then add to the eggs. Gently mix to combine. Once the dates and eggs are thoroughly mixed, add 200 ml of coconut oil. This should be softened or melted before adding. Stir into the mixture. Add the sliced apricots, approximately 35 grams of sultanas, and the crushed walnuts. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix to combine all the ingredients. When the mixture has been thoroughly blended, add the grated carrots and fold in. Add 1 packet of vanilla powder or vanilla essence, 10 grams each of baking powder and baking soda, and 300 grams of coconut flour. Coconut flour is gluten-free, high in fiber and protein, and nutrient-dense, including iron, potassium, copper and zinc, so is a healthy alternative to traditional flour in cake baking. You may need to add more milk if the mixture seems too dry. I've added an extra 100 ml. Line a large baking tray with greaseproof paper and transfer the mixture into the tray. Evenly spread the mixture across the tray. Using a wet metal spoon, level the top. Bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 4 or 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Allow to rest for a few minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack. Whilst the cake is cooling, prepare the topping. Pour 400 ml of coconut milk into a medium-sized pan. Stir on low heat, adding 1 packet of vanilla powder or vanilla essence. Add 60 ml or a quarter of a cup of honey and 5 teaspoons of cornflour diluted in 100 ml of cold water. Mix using a whisk. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Continue mixing and bring to the boil. Using coconut milk for a topping is great if you want a dairy and lactose-free alternative, enriched with many nutrients and lower in sugar than traditional forms of frosting. Continue until the mixture begins to bubble and you have the desired thickness. Then take off the heat and leave to cool with the lid on. Once the topping has cooled to room temperature, spoon onto the cake. Decorate the top with a sprinkle of grated carrots, crushed walnuts or desiccated coconut. Afiyet olsun, enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hülya's Turkish Kitchen.